So the first thing you should do before making any solution is bust out some tape and write out a label with the name of the solution, any relevant details like concentration or pH, the date you were making the solution with 2 digits for the number, 3 letters for the month, and 2 digits for the year, and your initials. You want to place this label on the beaker you are making a solution in. Next, you want to take the smallest graduated cylinder you can fit your total solution volume in and add deionized water up to about 75% of the total final volume. In this case, I want to make a 250 milliliter sodium chloride solution, so I filled the graduated cylinder to about 190 milliliters. Next, turn on the balance and wait a moment for it to start up. Place a weighboat on the balance and hit the button that says on/0 to 0 or tare it. Now you may take your scoopula, open up the container, and weigh out your solid. If you add too much, do not put it back into the original container. Place the waste into a different weighboat and discard. Go carefully to minimize these occurrences. And now you can add the solid to your pre-labeled beaker. There will likely be some solid that remains in the weighboat. As you add water to the solid in the beaker, carefully pour it over the weighboat to get that leftover portion into the solution. This is important, otherwise the amount that you weighed out isn't what you added in. Place a stirring rod into the solution and place the beaker onto a stir plate. Turn on the stir plate and watch it go. Once the solution appears to be homogeneous, you can turn off the stir plate. Use the magnetic retriever to take out the stirring rod. Pour the solution from the beaker into the graduated cylinder from earlier. Now is a good time to transfer your label from the beaker to a bottle. Now we add more deionized water to bring the solution up to the final desired volume, in this case 250 milliliters. Stop when the bottom of the meniscus is at the correct measurement. Once you have the appropriate amount of solution, you can transfer this to a clean container and cap it off. And there you have it, we're done.